My video will help you to remove the ransomware called DOOK, D-O-O-K. This ransomware is called like that because it encrypts files and appends the special DOOK extension to the file names. My video, however, is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting it. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to protect the files. So before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this DOOK ransomware may be easily injected into the computer, and then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their files. The ransomware also reveals this weird ransom note. The ransomware tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file recovery, but there is no guarantee that you would get your files restored. So don't pay the ransom and don't waste the money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware urgently with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the application, and once it gets successfully installed, start researching your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or other types of threats. Anyway, you need to wait until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on the system. Combo Cleaner helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the files with this anti-ransomware feature, but it does not decrypt the files. Keep this in mind. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files, by the way. However, Combo Cleaner works very well when it comes to detecting and deleting this particular ransomware. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more facts about possible ways to decrypt the data.